The water heater isn't working.
I literally don't know what's in here.
Target! Oh my god, $500? No. Chick-fil-A. I'm gonna do a quick little haul of what I got at Target. Good morning! Ew, this lighting is trash. I'll see you in a minute. I just fell off the stairs. This is literally the position I fell in. And the first thing I did was get my camera. Wow, new table. All right, it is currently 11:04. I got changed and took a couple brand deal pics. Liz is currently on the phone with her bank because she needs to set that up to pay rent. But we got our coffee table and like I showed you, it looks like this. It's really cute. I don't know if I like how like blue tinted it is, but I was gonna message this guy and then get a different one, like a tan one, like a stone one. But I think it would look good with books on it. So currently the dining room table is getting plastered in. This is what it's looking like. All the cracks have been filled. Wow, that was so fast. Are you guys done already or? Almost. Wow, that was really fast. It looks so good. I'm excited. But I have an appointment at 12 in Orange County, so I need to head over there. Alyssa's gonna be here. Oh, and we also got our Wi-Fi, which is nice, but the water heater isn't working, and then also the hood fan for the oven isn't working. Our heaters just are out of battery, so someone's coming later to fix that. But yeah.
Hi, can I get a sausage and actually, do you guys have breakfast right now?
We do. We have the 2 sausages muffin for $4.50.
Can I get a sausage and egg McMuffin meal? I was super tired and I was like, I need Starbucks, but then I was like, ooh, I want food, and I was like, I'm not feeling Starbucks, I don't want a McDonald's, and I found one. But I put a new tray of Invisalign in and it hurts because it doesn't really fit. Shout out to everyone reminding me to wear my Invisalign. I appreciate y'all. Thank you. Thank you. I got a sausage and egg McMuffin meal, if you don't know already. It is my iconic order. I used to eat it every single day before high school started. Hi, okay. Oh, I should probably turn this music off. Okay, so I got an oil change done for Meg's car. It took like 40 minutes, but I'm back at the house now. Alyssa is taking a bath in the cold water because we don't have hot water, and they tried to come fix it and they couldn't. So I don't know what's going on, but I'm kind of pissed about that. I'm kind of in a bad mood, but I'm gonna try not to be because it's still early in the day and I don't want to be in a bad mood. So I'm gonna just like listen to throwback music and fold up all these boxes, and then we'll get started on unpacking the kitchen, because I want to start doing that, get some stuff at the convenience store, go to Target, get some cutlery and dinnerware and stuff like that. So that should be really fun. But yeah, I'm gonna throw some music on and blast music while I figure this out. You good? I believe in you. She's taking a cold bath. But if you're wondering what music I play, it's my throwbacks playlist. Oh, my phone just died, never mind. Okay, anyways, like I was saying, I'm gonna play my throwbacks playlist that I have on Spotify, so link in bio if you wanna listen to it. If you don't know, my throwbacks playlist on Spotify is like my top playlist. I think it has like 20,000 followers because it is bangers. Trust me, like you play it at a party or something and it's just like songs that you haven't heard in a long time. Boom. So I'm gonna do a little haul of what I got in this kitchen box. I literally don't know what's in here, so we're gonna see for ourselves. In here we got a blender. Let's open this baby up. A blender that I never fucking use, but decided to bring it anyways because I paid 70 bucks for it, and I was like, I don't want to go buy another one. This is the vibe. Very cute. Brought this all the way back from Canada. Oh, I got a steamer. Wow, I'm really trying to save money, bringing all of my appliances over. Oh my god. I guess I brought all of my power drills. This is what is up. Some kitchen organizers. I packed some multi-use glue. Ooh, I can use this for my nightstands. I was just gonna go buy some. Oh wow, I brought a lot of batteries. This would have been useful for the thermostat instead of calling a whole ass man to come over and put batteries in it. We just got a knife sticking out. I don't know why I brought a knife. Wow, if you can tell, I really did this last minute. Ooh! Brought some camera chargers, a bunch. I was literally gonna buy more, but clearly I don't need to. Brought a thermometer. I was gonna say a thermostat, just in case, you know, we catch COVID. This box really scares me because if you see, it's just a bunch of miscellaneous items and I don't want to stick my hand in there because there's probably an open knife. Oh wow, this comes so handy. Paper towel holder. Look at that. Don't have to buy a new one because I already have one. This is really just like a haul of what I already had but forgot I had. Ooh, I brought my placemat. So cute. What is this? It's really... Shut the fuck up. I did not bring my bowls. My mom packed some of these things and I think that this is the box that she packed. And at this point, I'm just really amazed at what she thought that I would need. You know, we got some sauce bowls for like some ketchup. Fuck it up. The ranch. No fucking way. Why would my mom pack a toilet paper roll? Just one toilet paper roll. Glad we brought this one. It really matches the theme. I got this from Urban Outfitters like 2 years ago in my second apartment. I think this really matches this theme of like the, wow, look at this. We got a broken ladle, a broken spoon. What? This was never broken before. What the f? A bunch of utensils. My utensil holder. Oh, some toner and developer. This is a weird box. My other speaker. Oh my god, I need to plug this in and charge it. I've been looking for this baby. We got this to hold the plates. Oh, never mind. I just realized that this is so bent. Do you see that? That is not supposed to be like that. My toaster for avocado toast. All right, I'm gonna time lapse this. All right, so I finished one of the boxes. This is everything that came out of it, but I need to open up another box, which is like where all the kitchen organizers are. Oh my god! It's our cereal dispenser, but Alyssa wants to turn it into a candy dispenser. Oh, a coffee grinder. Yeah, I use this bitch every single day because I don't buy coffee whenever I'm home, but like I've been buying Starbucks every single day because I haven't had this or my French press. We got our sugar holders and stuff. I'm glad I brought quite a bit because I don't have to buy a lot of stuff anymore. Ugh, my water bottle. We got the kitchen organizers. I'm gonna need to go buy more at the container stores today though. We got the little spinny thingies, egg holders. I gotta wash all of these. Stuff to put like the pop in the fridge. So you can put like your cans here and then once you pull one out, it falls down. And then just 2 more things of sugar and salt. I'm gonna open those up. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit and then head to Target. I need to get dish soap. I don't know, just like a little tiny things, you know? I wrote down a list on this notepad of all the stuff that we need to get, but I just laid out everything here. I'll wash it when I get home. I'm so excited to go get kitchen stuff, and then tomorrow we're doing groceries, and you guys know how much I love grocery hauls, but let's head to No, I need more exciting. Target. I'll do it myself. Target. Target.
Am I get in trouble today for filming?
We'll see. Designated cart pusher. Oh my god, she stopped. She's like, what's this? And I was like, oh my gosh, Alani knew. They sent me a bunch, but I haven't tried this one yet. They didn't send me the Whitney Simmons one. This one's really good though if you guys want to try it. She's like a workout girl. Okay, I'm gonna try Blue Slush because I've never tried this. We need some softener. Let's get the biggest one. Cleaning supplies. Sponges. I'm gonna get some of this. I don't understand this. Like why? It's so much plastic I feel like, you know? Oh, we need one of these and a plunger. It's shit like this that you don't even think about.
A plunger? Do you clog in the toilets often?
Not often, but like, what happens when you need one, bitch? You know what? We're gonna go get this at the dollar store. We gotta get the essentials. Parchment paper, the cheapest aluminum foil we can find. Popcorn is always essential.
Oh, that one's not bad. I like this one. I'm gonna get this one. Oh, and clearly this too.
Eee! The set I want is these ones here, but it's a set. So cute. These are so pretty. Gorgeous. I feel like this just matches so well. I was gonna do black, but I feel like this is so neutral. I love it. I'll go to IKEA tomorrow or something and buy like glasses. I need to buy pans and stuff, but I feel like there's cuter ones other places, right? These are so beautiful. Oh yeah, a set would be nice. Ooh, coasters. Just like this white stone, right? Cute. The essentials. I live for containers. I don't know what I need, so I think I'm gonna go grocery shopping and then figure that out. Also need pots and pans and stuff, but I guess I'll get that at like Lowe's or something, I think. Looking at all these appliances is so hot. Oh my god, I'm gonna buy one of these. This one. This is the one I was gonna buy.
You wanna buy that one now?
Oh my god, $500? No. I'm gonna get a cheaper one. You know what? I'll go to Lowe's. Home decor. That is for another time because our place is not cute right now. I found them. Right now I have black cutlery. Super cute, but I think I'm gonna switch over to gold because our house theme is like gold. I guess we'll get 2 sets for $70. Kind of want one of these. I'll put this one in the kitchen and then the fucking other one in my bathroom. We found these like accent tables. They're super cute, but looks like someone had foundation on their hands and touched it, which gets dirty. But if I look for one and I can't find one, I'm gonna come here and get this. Woo! We got all of our stuff.
I'm eating my pretzels.
What do you want to eat?
Chick-fil-A is always good. Is it Sunday?
No.
I love Chick-fil-A. I really like Jack in the Box. I like Taco Bell always.
You know what? I think my best bet is a Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A? Chick-fil-A.
Can I get a number 1? And then can I get lots of Chick-fil-A sauce?
Can I get a number 1 meal? And then an Arnold that thing I can sell?
Arnold Palmer?
Yeah. Alright, thanks. Hi! Hi, okay, so today I'm gonna do a quick little haul of what I got at Target. A real quick little haul, by the way. We'll continue this in tomorrow's vlog with like organizing everything. I still gotta go buy pots and pans and groceries, so we'll continue that tomorrow. We got some toilet bowl cleaner because you know you always gotta have this. You can't be having those little rings around the toilet bowl. We got some sponges. Could have got these at the dollar store, but I needed them to clean some dishes already. We got some of this to use when, you know, the water heater works, to use for the dishwasher so that none of like the water splashes are like on there. Got an HDMI cord to plug my laptop into the TV. Got the Pet Pro Oxy Stained Shore for Sterling's pee. I got these super cute like grayish cream. These are just straight up gray, oh god, but whatever. They're not like a dark gray, which is kind of cute, I guess. But they're just some baking sheets. Always need these for them cookies, pizza, I don't know, anything like that. I got this cute cutting board. It's just like this cream colored one. I already have like 2, but I always run out of cutting boards, so I'm probably gonna need to buy like 10 more, but it's a really cute color. Then Alyssa got some Tostitos hint of lime chips, spicy queso chips, and then I got just some Kettle Brown brand potato chips and sea salt. This is the best. Parchment paper. I love this Up and Up brand. Got some aluminum foil, you know, you never know when you need it. Got some Up and Up gallon storage Ziploc bags because you always need it to like put like things in the fridge after you open like groceries. I don't know. Got some plastic wrap, and then I got this paper towel holder, which I'm excited to put in the kitchen. I have a black one already that I showed you, but I want to put that one in my bathroom and then use this gold one for here, just because there's a gold mirror, so you know, a little bit more gold accents. And then also got the matte gold cutlery. Super excited for this one. Alyssa said the shiny ones look cheap, so you know I splurged and bought the expensive ones. Some small Ziploc bags, some popcorn, even though we don't have a microwave. Energy drinks from Alani Nu. These are the best energy drinks ever. She got some Salsa Verde medium. And then I got 2 packs of these hexagon coasters. They're just like stone looking, but I'm gonna put all of these utensils in the utensil holder and see how it looks. She is beauty, she is grace. Wow, this is beautiful. Spoon, knife, fork. My first time opening this up. She is beauty. Wow. I love the color of this. I feel like it just matches everything. Wow. Okay, no, look at the table. I have to paint over that white plaster, but if you look here, it like matches perfectly. Oh, this was such a good find. Thank you, Target. Also, I'm pouring a glass of wine for Alyssa because she's right now currently journaling. She's got a lot of feelings right now. I told her to journal.
Oh, honey, I don't need a glass. Okay. I know you really want me to. Oh Lord, this is not a glass. This is a mug. This ain't no glass. This is a mug.
Ah! Wow, so what do you think of the glass? Give me a little review.
Some brief spillage on the side.
Shut the fuck up.
I think it makes it taste a little bit better.
Okay, look it up, sis. I'm so excited to open all these. You know what though, that is it for today's vlog though. I'll see y'all tomorrow. If you don't know, I'm daily vlogging, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Follow my Instagram because I do a shout out every single day of a comment of the day and a fan page of the day. Let's find it. All right. That's Alyssa flushing the toilet from peeing. Family fan page of the day, it goes to my.fam_is_the_best. She did this really cute edit right here, and oh, I love the colors in it. Thank you so much. Comment of the day goes to Tessa Rue. She said, okay, I don't know what it is, but you look gorgeous on your new photos and videos. You are glowing. Thank you so much. Anyways, that is it for today's video. If you want to be a commenter or family shout out of the day, make sure to do comment and, you know, make a fan page. Anyways, I'll see y'all tomorrow though. Peace.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my breath, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her.